Trying to know what is this? Watch the video to know more. Wow, and welcome back to Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish. And today I have probably one of the most rarest of the rarest Yezdi Roadking with so many modification, which is as close as it can get. And I'm going to explain you in detail what this motorcycle has gone into the transformation. So I'll talk to you guys right after this intro video to tell you more. So I have Asif with me, proud owner of this motorcycle. So I'm going to just ask him two questions and then we'll get on to the video. So Asif, आपको ये गाड़ी बनाना बोल के क्यों हुआ? आप क्यों बनाई ये गाड़ी?
तब मैं 7 साल की उम्र में था जब पिछले गैरेज के काम को गया। 10 साल काम किया। पहले भी 4-5 गाड़ी रखा था। यदि अभी ऐसा बना के रखना करके गाड़ी बहुत ख्वाहिश था, इसलिए बना के रखा।
So it was his dream to make a motorcycle like this, and that's why he's handcrafted it with whole heart to make something like this, and it looks absolutely stunning. So anybody who wants to get their motorcycle restored or wants to get it fixed, आपको ना अगर किसी को ऐसा गाड़ी बनाने का तो आपको कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं ना?
कर सकते हैं.
So I'm gonna share his mobile number, so you'll see somewhere in the screen. So if you want to get your motorcycle something like this, shining like this, then please get in touch with Asif. He's from Bangalore. Bangalore so?
हाँ Bangalore.
कहाँ पे Bangalore में आपका?
आरटी नगर, देसी नगर.
So Bangalore RT Nagar is where you can find him, and you can go get your Yezdi or Java fixed, or if you want to buy a new one from him, he'll be able to do that. और आपका garage का नाम क्या है?
Kings Java Yezdi Garage.
It's called Kings Java Yezdi Garage. I mean, that itself tells you it is definitely one of the king kind of a motorcycle that he's manufactured or he's built for himself, which was back then manufactured by Yezdi. So yes, let's get on to the video now. So welcome back to my channel. So look at this beautiful motorcycle. So this is from one of the mechanic from Bangalore. So he has completely restored this to, I think, pin to pin stock condition with a lot of modification into this. So let's get into the detail of this particular motorcycle. So to complement this motorcycle is our background, which is in kutta. So let's look at this a little closer. As usual, I'll give you a nice look of this motorcycle. Look at that chrome shining throughout this motorcycle, bold and beautiful. So let's start as usual from the Odo console. So this has the original stock Odo console, which shows you the kilometer, speedometer, Yezdi written into it. The key is here, and then going on to the handlebar, to your left hand side you have high beam, low beam, indicator, right, left, horn button, and to your right hand side you have, look at this lever, Yezdi is mentioned here, so this goes to as original as it could get. And then look at this unique stuff. So what's this? This is a throttle locker. So this was eventually a part of motorcycles then, and the gentleman has restored this in this particular motorcycle also. This is a 1996 Roadking, which is completely modified to the best of its spec. So you can use the key to lock your throttle. And then let's get to the front side. Look at the chrome done on the entire front mudguard. Beautiful maintenance even now. So now let's go here. So if you look at these Odo console, these are aluminium, so which is one of the unique stuff to have. And then all the motorcycles which came from Idle Java used to have a cast iron bore, but in this case what you see here is a completely aluminium bore and the flower head as well. And this is directly adapted from their hand glides which they used to make back then, and this is completely adopted to this particular motorcycle and works without any problem. Look at that. And it also matches very well with the flower head. So previous models used to have a fin head, but this one has a flower head. And look at the way it's been done. And another special feature is this air filter. So back then in certain areas, this is a region specific modification. So in Pune, Maharashtra side and Andhra side, this used to melt because of heat to counter that particular problem, they came with aluminium air filters, and this also has been done on this particular motorcycle. Look at that complete nice modification, and this shines like it's just come out from the factory even today. And this has been done about, the modification is done about 4 years ago, and look at this particular motorcycle even today. And now let's get into the stand also. So the stand that you see here is again an aluminium stand which used to be a part of Java's back then, and the gentleman has made sure he's got the aluminium stand, center stand for this motorcycle, and that's again there on this particular motorcycle.
The fuel tank, 18-liter fuel tank.
Another speciality in this motorcycle is its fuel tank. So the fuel tank that you see here is a 18-liter capacity fuel tank on this motorcycle.
Normally 14 inch.
So normally all the Road Kings used to have a 14-liter fuel tank, but in this particular motorcycle it is 18-liter fuel tank. That means you can travel longer on this particular motorcycle. Now let's have a 360-degree view of this motorcycle. This is possibly one of the most neatest looking motorcycle, which is Yezdi Roadking, that I've seen for a long time, which is in such spick and span condition. The chrome is shining like as it's just come out of the showroom, and the entire fit and finish of this motorcycle is stupendous. I mean, there's nothing that I've seen like this so far, and the kind of finesse which has gone into the work is spectacular, and the gentleman who owns it has made sure he has kept this motorcycle in some mint condition. So well, that's all from my end. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and this particular motorcycle is just absolutely finesse, and you just saw what this motorcycle is all about. It has an aluminium flower head and the board, so which is, I think, spectacular. So until the next video, please stay tuned, stay at home, stay safe, vaccinate yourself if you haven't. Bye bye for now.